These are the top 5 things that we've implemented in our car detailing business in order for us to grow this month in May. The last one being, believe it or not, the most important one, but let's start at the start, right? Because that'll be a good thing to do, won't it? So the first thing, we sat down, we thought, right, how can we get more people reminding that we exist on this planet? So we set an offer which was with any sort of wash or valet, we will put on a hydrophobic spray sealant onto your car, which is this the product that we use, goes from EZ Car Care, okay? Anywhere from 6 to 8 months with protection on there, which we usually charge £60 alone to apply in your car on the paint work and the wheels. And from sending out 250 messages, we got, how many, Elliot, replies? 210 people actually went, hi, thanks for messaging. If you sent out 250 emails, the open rate would be a lot less. So hopefully you've taken and learned a lot from that. Text messages, similar open rate to WhatsApp messages, but generally we found that if you send out a WhatsApp message, the open rate is a hell of a lot higher than anything else. Other than maybe calls, but you're not going to make 250 calls, are you? So 250 messages out, and from those 210 replied, okay? And from those 210, 26 people from those 210, which sounds like and looks like a small number, I understand that, but that's 26 people that would never book unless we sent out that WhatsApp message in the first place with this offer. And they've gone, oh, do you know what, James? I want a bit of that. Happy days. 10 of those were a wash. 16 of those was a valet. From sending one message this month, we managed to bring in an extra £1,550 from sending just one message. How valuable is that to your clients when you go through your phone? You could do this yourself, guys. We have the software as well that we've implemented. If you watched the last video, please watch that so you'll understand what I'm going about. But the software that we've used, which allows us to send bulk messages via WhatsApp to people. We create the message, we send, done. If you do it manually, that's fine, depending on where you are. But how valuable is that?
By the way, the cost to send a WhatsApp message is £0.50 per message. By the way,
through our software.
Through our software, which is the cheapest marketing, like, from anywhere. Like, you can't get that with texts or emails. Like, that's ridiculously cheap.
That's the first thing we've implemented this month, and it would be, I think, quite successful. We've won there, haven't we, Elliot?
That's only a small test, by the way. That 250 was our tiny little test range of people.
Second point, we got scammed £450. We explain it more in another video, but very briefly now, we got scammed. Very briefly, in a nutshell, lady came, did a car, detailed it, coated it, she was incredibly over the moon happy, and then about a week later, she says that, what did she say, Charlie? We damaged the window switch, windows didn't work, we damaged the headlining, we didn't even touch that, got damaged, and she said the rear seats didn't fold down, or there's warnings on the dashboard, which she never took. Anyway, watch the video. If it's been posted before this video, you'll see that, but we got scammed 450 quid, okay? Moral is, we refunded the whole amount, even though we did not do any of that, okay? But if you want to look at the full conversation, there'll be a link down here for that. So, what can you learn from that? What can they learn from that, Ellie? Make videos, okay? Do a video before and after, so if they do come back to you and they say you've done this, this or this, you can go, really, we have the evidence. So make sure you take pictures and videos. It's a shame because you can film and do that and cover your sort of arse with videos before and after for hundreds of cars and only one you actually have a problem with. But it's the best practice that we've now learned and suggest you do as well. So make sure the lesson learned is to film videos before you start the work, okay? So then you're less likely to get scammed, okay? Next point. It's a bit on the cock, this, isn't it? Charlie's first month with us. He was doing some days with us last month to see if it's the right fit for him and us. But Charlie, there he is. Charlie's there in the background quoting this X5 for us while we're making this video. He started with us first full month. And how you find it, Charlie?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Elliot, can you take that gun away from his head, mate, yeah? Charlie's first full month with us and things are working out blindingly. My words, not Charlie's, clearly. Next one.
New van and bracket.
Ah! The new van. The new van actually has arrived. In the last video, we were trying to get dates to actually pick up the van, but we actually have got the new van and it's been racked out from the guys at Valet Vans. If you're watching this, thank you. Full video coming soon. You'll find out how much it's cost us because we're going to do a video on how much it's cost us to buy the van, how much it's costing us each month, everything, the full breakdown, and how much it's costing for the racking at Valet Vans. And the reason why we've got a new van is because our current van, or last van, is getting a bit, it's over 10 years old, it's getting a bit on, you know, potential some repair problems, breaking down, we can't have that. So again, looking that into your business and go, is it the right time to maybe think about getting a newer vehicle with warranty or whatever it may be, because if it breaks down, you can't work in the garage because you need the van, right? So we've sort of preempted that and gone, do you know what? Let's get ourselves a new van, and while we've got a new van, we might as well rack it out. And while we're racking it out, we might as well wrap it. And while we're wrapping it, we might as well put some LED lights underneath it, which is the most important thing in my whole car detailing business, is make sure there's LED lights underneath the van, right? And they're fitted and they're orange, right? And they can turn on and flick of a switch. The most important thing. Take away from that, look at your kit equipment, doesn't need upgrading, because sometimes it might be worth doing that, because if it breaks, you're sort of struggling, aren't you? In the old van, I like to have everything inside there, and you'd have to move stuff in order to get stuff, which makes you inefficient. And sometimes you put stuff down, you don't know where it is. How many times you put something down and it's just disappeared, right? Because the little sort of elves come along and moved it 30 seconds later, right? Now, with the van racking the way it's going to be, you can literally grab and go and then place it back down. There's not stuff too much in the way. So more space, bigger van, new racking, purpose built for us and how we like to operate. This is the last and final and most important point that we've done this month. And it is, even if that isn't good enough, and that isn't good enough, you'll love this. We have a VA, short for virtual assistant, who has not only helped us be more efficient with our software and systems. I know I keep on going on about it's boring, I know, but without employing this virtual assistant, they've helped us in order to send out these WhatsApps and automations, which has brought us an extra £1,550 every single month. Now, they are only part-time, we're trialling them out, but for the first month it's working, as you can see, pretty well, and we'll give you more updates on who we're using, what we've done moving forward. But yes, a virtual assistant, if you can implement something or someone like that into your business to help you bring in that amount a month from one message, quite important. Now I've kind of tied that all in together there. To summarize them, WhatsApp automations, we brought in extra sort of revenue each month. We did one offer for valet and wash, and we brought in again sort of that at the end of the month. We got scammed, more on that video later. What can you learn? Make sure you do before pictures and videos. Charlie started with us full time, which allowed me to be more efficient. I can make videos while Charlie's working in the background. In the right, Charlie?
Correct.
There you go. I'll check his work later. Which allows me to be more efficient, okay, because I can be out mobile, Charlie can be at the unit and vice versa, okay. And then van racking, so we can be more efficient, and new van so nothing breaks down. Hopefully you get value from that. And we employed a virtual assistant, so then they could help us with everything else in between. And a bonus one, funny one for you guys, is I sent my Rupes Mini out to get repaired, okay, from the guys at Power Tools and wherever it'll be popped up on the screen, okay. And you can probably see on the screen now how much I spent, okay. For Rupes Mini repair, it cost me that. Guess how much a new one is, Charlie?
£300.
Now, when I sent it in, I didn't know it was going to cost me that much, okay? But obviously, they've got to look at it in order to see if it needs repairing and what needs doing, right? So in hindsight, yes, if we could travel back in time, I'll probably just buy a new one. But hey, you get to, at least you guys get to learn the lesson, okay? So that's the good, bad, and the ugly from what's happened for us today. Some lessons learned, some expensive lessons learned. If you get value from this, please let us know in the comments. What have you implemented in your car detailing business or service-based business in general, okay? Which are the good and bad wins that you've had in your business. But as we all know, this is what it takes to build a business, okay? It's not all sunshine and rainbows, all right? Guys, if you do like this video, please give us one of them. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for watching, and that is us in May, and we'll do another video next month, hopefully. Don't get scammed 450 quid.
Wait. How much did we earn?
How much did we earn, Elliot?
£12,415.
Record month?
As always, mate.
Now, that was a bit of a selfish one at the last one. If you want to learn how you can make nearly 12 and a half grand a month into your car detailing business, let me know and we'll help you.